As the foundation of a democratic society, political accountability is essential for ensuring that those in power are answerable to the people they serve. What is political accountability? Political accountability refers to the obligation of those in power to be answerable for their actions and decisions to the people they serve. It involves the ability of citizens to hold their elected representatives and government officials accountable for their performance, policies, and actions. This can include accountability for the use of public funds, the implementation of policies, and the exercise of power. Why is political accountability important? Political accountability is essential for several reasons. Prevents corruption. Accountability helps to prevent corruption by ensuring that those in power are transparent in their actions and decisions. When officials know that they will be held accountable for their actions, they are less likely to engage in corrupt practices. Promotes transparency. Accountability promotes transparency by requiring those in power to provide information about their actions and decisions. This helps to build trust between citizens and their government. Ensures good governance. Accountability ensures that those in power are held responsible for their performance and the implementation of policies. This helps to promote good governance and effective decision-making. Protects human rights. Accountability helps to protect human rights by ensuring that those in power are held responsible for any abuses or violations. Mechanisms of political accountability. There are several mechanisms that exist to ensure political accountability, including elections. Elections provide citizens with the opportunity to hold their elected representatives accountable for their performance. By voting out officials who are not performing well, citizens can ensure that those in power are held accountable. Parliamentary oversight. Parliamentary oversight involves the ability of the legislature to scrutinize the actions and decisions of the executive branch. This can include the use of committees, investigations, and hearings. Judicial review. Judicial review involves the ability of the judiciary to review the actions and decisions of the executive branch. This can include the use of courts to challenge the constitutionality of laws and policies. Independent institutions. Independent institutions, such as anti-corruption agencies and ombudsmen, can provide an additional layer of accountability. These institutions can investigate complaints and hold officials accountable for their actions. Media and civil society. A free and independent media, as well as civil society organizations, can play an important role in promoting accountability. By reporting on the actions and decisions of those in power, the media can help to hold officials accountable. Challenges to political accountability. Despite the importance of political accountability, there are several challenges that exist, including lack of transparency. A lack of transparency can make it difficult for citizens to hold officials accountable. When information is not readily available, it can be difficult to determine whether officials are acting in the best interests of citizens. Corruption. Corruption can undermine accountability by creating a culture of impunity. When officials are able to engage in corrupt practices without fear of consequences, it can be difficult to hold them accountable. Weak institutions. Weak institutions can make it difficult to ensure accountability. When institutions are not strong enough to hold officials accountable, it can create a culture of impunity. Lack of citizen participation. A lack of citizen participation can make it difficult to ensure accountability. When citizens are not engaged in the political process, it can be difficult to hold officials accountable.